Alright, listen. We're gonna use Celine as a decoy. Roberto are gonna grab our phone. We're gonna have a Kiara wait on him, and him are gonna lead way to the mastermind. You think you meet with the mastermind yet?
Or you have any surveillance footage to show say you meet with anybody at all?
No. The fact that there is no surveillance camera right there, sir. But the place where him stop for 2 hours, he must did a talk to somebody. Is it tomorrow when you meet with him? Make him give you all the details. Because if Chase are the person when you meet with, he may very well be the mastermind.
Even though we don't want to take it for granted in a boss. You see, if I chase a meet with, we still forgive me more time to see if I meet with somebody else.
I get a report from Celine. She said she asked somebody in the call center. Somebody in the call center by phone off the street, no phone.
So, that means so. The mastermind might be in the call center then.
Not necessarily, no. The mastermind, they're in the streets. What we need to do is get to the supplier. When we get to the supplier, we can get to the buyer.
Bubbles, how about this?
So you eat out 2 already, and that one they halfway down your throat, and I know you're ready for ask me what is?
You're real belly as you know, I'm not talking about the rhythm.
When you can't understand, food is the staff of life.
But I don't them, you know. One sample one.
Whisper, them something to fit you. Yeah, up why? You don't need this.
Thank you.
I hope you choke.
The 2 are not easy, you know? Brother and sister. Anyway, guys, there's a program called Wake Up Jamaica. It's a community thing, and they want me to be a part of it. I want to know say as long as me a part of it, we not have to involve. However, we have assignments doing. So once those assignments go on a lull, then we'll focus on that. Alright?
You know me always ready.
So like a plan now, bossy.
Alright. Hold on. Hello?
Bubbles,
Yes, sir?
if you're around the 2 lily one them, move. Now Bubbles, wait there. The lily gal a peep.
Yes, Shepherd.
Tell him something we done with me now. Now listen to me carefully. The boy, my son-in-law, is going to go through a little traumatic time. But tell him, no worry himself. Every disappointment is for a good. But don't tell him now. Tell him in 2 or 3 days' time. You hear?
Yes, Shepherd.
All right.